Welcome to the Learning English channel. Short stories. 17 Camels and 3 Sons.
Long ago, there lived an old man with his 3 sons in a deserted village located in the vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels, and they were the main source of his income. He used to rent out camels as a means of shipping in the desert. One day, he passed away. He had left a will, leaving his assets for his 3 sons. After the funeral and other obligations were over, the 3 sons read the will. While their father had divided all the property he had into 3 equal parts, he had divided the 17 camels differently. They were not shared equally among the 3, as 17 is an odd number and a prime number, which cannot be divided. The old man had stated that the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels, the middle one will get 1/3 of the 17 camels, and the youngest one will get a share of camels as 1/9. All of them were stunned to read the will and questioned each other about how to divide the 17 camels as mentioned in the will. It is not possible to divide 17 camels and give half of the 17 camels to the eldest one. And it is not possible to divide the camels for the other 2 sons. They spent several days thinking of ways to divide the camels as mentioned in the will, but none could find the answer. They finally took the issue to the wise man in their village. The wise man heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all 17 camels to him. The sons brought the camels to the wise man's place. The wise man added a camel owned by him, making the total number of camels to 18. Now, he asked the first son to read the will. As per the will, the eldest son got half the camels, which now amounted to 18, 2 equals 9 camels. The eldest one got 9 camels as his share. The remaining camels were 9. The wise man asked the second son to read the will. He was assigned one of 3 of the total camels. It came to 18, 3 equals 6 camels. The second son got 6 camels as his share. The total number of camels shared by the elder sons is 9 plus 6 equals 15 camels. The third son read out his share of camels, 1/9 of the total number of camels, 18/9, equals 2 camels. The youngest one got 2 camels as his share. In total, there were 9 plus 6 plus 2 camels shared by the brothers, which amounted to 17 camels. Now, the 1 camel added by the wise man was taken back. The wise man solved this problem smartly with his intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but finding common ground to solve an issue. In short, every problem has a solution. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.